So here's a fun little activity with Swift Playgrounds, and this is the puzzle world. So this is where you go for the blank templates like the conversation one and so forth. And so I've just opened this, and all I've done is I've actually changed where the actual portal is. So obviously you're not going to do this straight off, but you can let kids play around with the different grid points. Great way of kind of consolidating that maths concept. But what I've done is I've just changed this one here. So where it actually puts the end of the portal, or the kind of where byte ends up, is actually very, very different. So what you could do is a little kind of challenge and differentiate just a little bit, is you could change just one element, something to do with the portal, and get kids to start to think about where that portal is actually being placed. If you actually click off it a little bit there, it'll actually not highlight what you've actually changed. And then you can airdrop, you could actually change iPads and get kids to actually think about what is the error in the code, how can we change, where should the portal actually end, where should it start. And so you've got here byte, he obviously hops in beautifully into that first portal, but when he pops out and then he's actually going through this move code, he's obviously in the wrong area altogether, and so he's a little bit confused. So what you could ask the kids is, okay, what could one of the errors be? Is it, how do we get byte up onto that level? Where should the finishing portal be, and so forth? So get them a little bit of problem solving and give them a little bit of a challenge to try and solve. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.